Hi everyone, I just wanted to review another lesson that we did this morning on Zoom. Today we introduced adjectives, and adjectives are describing words that tell us about nouns. So an adjective can be any of these types of words. They tell what size, what color, how something tastes, how something feels, how many something is, how something looks, what shape it is, the sound it is, how something behaves, and how something smells. So we did a little activity today about these few words, and I asked them to describe a dog. So they can describe a dog in many ways. You can say the dog is furry. You can say the dog is brown. Oops. You can say the dog is big, huge, enormous. Then we talked about a frog. I love to use a frog because a frog evokes so many different words for the way it feels. It can feel slimy. It can feel bumpy. It can feel smooth. It can be green. It can be spotted. Okay, so a frog can be so many different things. A frog can be loud. It can be noisy. So as long as they're using a word to describe that frog, that is an adjective. I also like to use taco because everybody loves a taco. I know it's not Tuesday, but everybody loves a taco. So a taco can be spicy. A taco can be soft. A taco can be hard. A taco could be salty. Okay. A taco could be fishy if it's a fish taco. Okay. We also can talk about a ball. We can say the ball is round. Okay. And a blanket. I like to use a blanket because a blanket can be soft. A blanket could be fluffy. A blanket could be cozy. A blanket could be red. So I just wanted to quickly just go over that with you, just in case anybody is confused about the adjectives, any of the kids. I know a lot of times when I say, oh, describe a dog, they're saying to me, oh, a dog can bark, but that's something that a dog can do. That's a noun. We want to describe that dog. So if a dog is barking, then a dog is noisy or the dog is loud. We are going to try to stay away from words like good. So the taco tasted good. Well, I want something a little bit better about the taco. Was it gooey? Was it a gooey taco? Was it a spicy taco? If there's any problems or you have any questions, just let me know and talk to you soon. Thanks.